Hello once again, my name is Robinson. My name is Teacher Robinson. Okay? Leo tunaenda kujifunza somo la biolojia kwa upande wa Form 1. Introduction to Biology. Biology, the science that deal with the study of living things. The word biology is derived from two Greek words, bios, which means life, and logos, which means study of. So when you combine these words, you get up biology, the study of life and living things or living organism. Kwamba biolojia ni somo la sayansi ambalo linahusiana na viumbe hai. Na neno biolojia limetokana na maneno ya Kigiriki mawili ambayo yanaitwa bios na logos. Bios na maanisha maisha na logos na maanisha somo la. Kwa hiyo tunapoyaunganisha maneno yanamaanisha biolojia ni somo la maisha ya viumbe hai. Basic concepts and terminologies used in biology, or basic concepts and terminologies of biology. Kuna biology, biologist, organism na cell. Kwa sababu huwezi kuzungumzia kiumbe hai bila kuzungumzia nini? Organism. Umeona? Kwa hiyo biolojia is derived from Greek words which is bios and logos, or logia. Bios, which means life, and logos, which means knowledge or study. So biology is derived from two Greek words, that is bios, which means life, and logos or logia, which means study or knowledge. So biology can be defined as a branch of science which deal with the study of life. By definition, biology is the branch of science which deal with the study of life. Kwa biolojia ni somo la sayansi ambalo linajihusisha na maisha ya viumbe hai. The term biology can also be defined as the branch of science which deal with the study of living organism or living things. That is, kwamba biolojia ni somo ambalo ni la kisayansi linalojihusisha na masomo na maisha ya viumbe hai. Na mtu anayesoma biolojia anaitwa biologist. Kwamba a person who study biology is called biologist, or a person specialized in biology study is called biologist. So you can call it biologist is a person who is specialized in biology study. What is life in biology? Life in biology means a lot of. One of them, life means being alive, existing. Something is alive or existing. It is a process of life. So we may call it life is a process of existing or being alive. The life process are growth, movement, locomotion, respiration, excretion, reproduction, sensitivity, and nutrition. That is life process. Kwamba maisha ni kuishi, maisha ni kuwepo. Tunasema kitu kina maisha kinapokuwa kipo, na tunasema kitu kina maisha kinapokuwa tunakiona. Na maisha ni uwepo. Kwamba unapozungumzia maisha ni uwepo, inaambatana na vitendo vifuatavyo kama vile kujiongea, movement or locomotion, respiration kupumua, excretion kutoa taka mwili, reproduction kuzaliana, sensitivity kuhisi, na nutrition lishe. Hayo ndo maisha yanayoambatana hivyo vitu. Lakini pia organisms, lazima tujue kiumbe hai ni nini. Organism is anything which has a life. Kwamba organism ni kitu chochote ambacho kina life, kina maisha. Unapo unazungumzia organism ni kama vile plant and animal and others. So Organism is anything which has a life. It is the other name of living things. Kwa kuna viumbe hai wengine. Organism is made up of cell. Kwa unapokuja kwenye organism imeundwa na cell. Na cell ni nini? Lazima tuendelee kujifunza. Cell ni basic unit of things which are living. So we can say that cell is a basic unit of living things. Tusema kama organism anaundwa na cell. Na cell ni nini? Cell ni umoja wa kitu kinachoishi. So the cell has 3 main parts. Na sehemu kuu tatu za cell ni cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Cell membrane ni nini? Tutakuja kuangalia mbele kwenye concept of the cell in next classes, ambayo topic ile ni form 2. Lakini cell membrane huu ni ukuta wa cell kwa upande wa pili, ukiachana na cell wall. Lakini cell membrane, cytoplasm na nucleus. Napozungumzia cytoplasm ni sehemu ambayo all reaction, physical and chemical reaction are taking place in an organism or in a cell. Lakini nucleus ni control of all chemical reaction and physical reaction which are taking place in an organism. So unaweza kusema kwamba cell kama cell which make up plant inaitwa plant cell, na cell zinazotengeneza mnyama zinaitwa animal cell. So some organisms are made up of one cell and other organisms are made up multi cell. So organism wengine wameundwa na cell moja ambao nawaita ni unicellular au single cell organism. Na organism kama hao ni amoeba, euglena, yeast. Some organisms are made up of many cells. Na hao ambao wameundwa na cell wengine ambao ni wengi tunawaita ni multicellular organism. Na organism hao wanaweza kawa ni animals, plant, and most are fungi. So that is concept and terminologies of biology. That is concept and terminologies of biology. Kwa tumeangalia maana ya biology. Biology inatokana na nini? Tumekuja tukaangalia biologist, mtu ambaye maybe specialized katika biology. Lakini pia tumekuja tukaangalia what is life in biology. Lakini tumekuja tukaangalia organism, kwa sababu tumesema kwamba biology is the science of the branch of science that deal with the study of living things. What is living things? Organism which has a life. What is the organism? Organism is anything which has a life or anything which is existing. But what is life? Life is being or existing. Being alive or existing. And life is accommodated with the different processes such as movement, locomotion, respiration, excretion, reproduction, sensitivity, and nutrition. So what is a cell? So that cell, organism is made up of a cell. And what is a cell? Cell is the best unit of living things. So the cell has 3 main parts, which is cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. And the other one, we have learned about cell which is made up plant. It's called the plant cell, and the cell which is made up animals is called the animal cells. And I have said that cell is divided into 2 occasions, which is multicellular and unicellular. So unicellular, these are organisms which made up one cell, and the multicellular is the organism which are made up of many cells. So in next class we will consider about characteristics of living things or features of living things. Which are living things? How can we determine the living things? How can we determine living things? And how can we differentiate between living things and non-living things? That is a next class. We'll learn about characteristics of living things. So keep on subscribing, keep on watching. This is for us. That is We say that strong men create a useful community. If there is a useful community, means there is a set of developments. So keep up. That is our session. Thanks.